you witness the MTN FA Cup finals no Kwame. And again, it was an interesting game at a course. Yes, controversies be by, but on the day, I think say the match itself no Kwame na okay, and again it was nice. But first of all, my main more organize MTN FA Cup no Kwame. My main more baso because they did so well right from the beginning to the end. Kwame, how are Omusifa organizing games no? How are Omusifa to nyoma? I mean, a team board game na be do a final. Yes, and I say yet this kind of final share and Kwame. I think I was highly impressed. So omo organizing and I say omudi anim no Kwame. Ye mo mabaso because omaye juma strong. On say last week or two, maybe catch or say any we share the way MTN FA Cup no SCTA anyhow a league in SCTA. Kwame, I will value the MTN FA Cup no be kind of
the league.
Yes. Na enye ne kesia aye on any day league you know e was show esin MTN FA Cup no but me share how Omusifa organize preparation in the bibia o hwa Kwame now ubetima emphatic say in a league MTN FA Cup no Kwame and e was show and again aya akono aya honka say obekwa akohwe rather than say obehwe league no because Kwame ye share how amanfo si trooping in eba stadium yembuse on say from day one we league no ebepim the last match no Kwame yenhwe match enra course no ne yemfanto to ye league no Kwame it clearly tells you say any MTN FA Cup no Kwame my adwuma sonko and ana enye adia I say odwino you see what they compare me Kwame omo FA Cup no say basically omo nyina san ewo league no ana ntino a day ana ye sonko say yentimi enye saa bi ema league no pedi hu FA Cup no adentina yentimi transfer saa de no emfanko league because enipa e ba be hwe MTN FA Cup Kwame Ghana fo yankofo man fi ba bia amba o Ghana fo ntino adentina yentimi nya no ma ye kakra na league ni yentimi nya these numbers ewo ho si nya division 1 clubs kra mo bokrampa Kwame yet amafoko ekokotwe finals no ntiade ne yentimi nya league ne nso no saa ema ne yenti Kwame ya ma omo organize game na baso omo di animu omo toto nyoma and again omo sama old players kodoko and again across the folk ebebo any saa no man Kwame ya mo mabaso because they really did so well for this particular tournament but again one problem ye pitch no Kwame pitch ne de nya mianim ne krani and you see because of say ye ha no Kwame ye nya de na maintenance no problem mind no de bia na ye benya no fefefe but with time na ade no essay ene eba legon stadium ni Kwame ye nya ye no ye use park na pitch ni stadium ye use wa just ye buna brand sum na gino ho a na ye hu sa afi agino na ye ko ba bi foforo and so ne Accra Sports Stadium ya available Kwame pe de na ekoso na say match ye hwe ye de nyamianim ni krani stadium no ana pitch no yes na we hear how a golden cake for a ball game kroko a ball game Kwame na nke betimi anya game no stronko a efe cra chain de enra ye hwe no but the nature of the pitch na omudja so bo no Kwame I think say na ama game no fe no Kwame ekofom kakra ewo eho ensusu enum Kwame now to the game Kumasi Asante Kroko etimi enya win no Kwame ani omutimi akwakosi akan wo Africa but ye mo golden cakes for no Kwame ye mo mabaso because obi a watimi qualify watimi abo from day one Kwame qualify aba final irrespective of team obeshia na say even category of falling under Kwame you can't write the team off say division 2 team crampa Kwame so what you do finals no clearly tells you say the performance no say me can say division 2 Ghana wa bampo a untimi writing off because yenya premier teams are ono mu share ya ene otimi ewini omo edu omo gu akiri a or proceed call the next stage what team do finals enti ene edino yes we don't know the name edino any household name ene you can mention say golden cakes for omo ba kwambo be bibi stronko but again see the what team about do final no na kwame on any day wa obehia ni bia no obetimi ama match and again pressure be any so because so we sheno one sheno enye news but any wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko kwame one ne kobo no una pressure no ebeba also because we here win more than air golden cakes colleague no want me am obra league nim entina FA Cup e betimi aboa ama oje trophy be at least for the season no so no kwame ne kofu nsa una na pressure beba so and clearly you could see say na pressure work Kumasi Asante Kotoko so said the na coach Karim Zito eka no kwame it started when emra eka no etimi ekokote hono ana game no emusa ye din edima Asante Kotoko hono but in all yemma omabaso me person e come bebre because I know say a whole lot of stars coming will pop up but I want to comment to my friend Golden Cage because Kwame they've really shown well, played good football. Oma me who say ene si etimi ye nyoma ya irrespective of teams in the baby omo Kwame they can do so well omo various department and also omo various category Kwame omo fall under and again yemo Kumasi Asante Kotoko abaso they also fought well and omo etimi nya winner etimi abo omo so African at least obenya bibi di ache say ne season no etimi ba na wie no omonya a trophy a value no Ghana asia omatimi dia bookie omo take it Kwame omo de be call Africa coming season
okay mate mirasi atakwa